How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Samsung Galaxy that's getting no signal. So there's a number of things that you want to do. First of all, come into your settings and open up the connections menu, and then come to your SIM manager and turn your SIM off. Go back out of that and then come down to mobile networks just below it, and make sure your network mode is set to this one, the 5G LTE Auto Connect. So after that, come down to network operators and turn off select automatically. So disable that, and that'll open up a list of available networks. You want to choose your one. It'll say current network below it. So register on your network again, and after that we're going to come into the main menu and scroll down to general management, and then from in here you want to find the reset menu, and then scroll down to reset mobile network settings, and then reset it. So it'll ask you for your PIN, and then reset. Right, so after that's all done, what you want to do is take your SIM card out of your phone and put it back in, and then reset it. Restart your phone, and that should fix the no signal issue. Thank you for watching.